In December 2010, the NDTV-SL Save Our Tigers Telethon was a huge success. Hosted by the country's biggest superstar,
It's our fight.
it raised money from viewers to help protect the national animal. Now the first of 31 rapid response units ready for action in Kanha Tiger Reserve. Designed by our campaign partners, Wildlife Conservation Trust, it's loaded with equipment from tranquilizer kits to baffle boards and tents to help the Forest Department deal with any sort of crisis the park may face.
What this equipment will do is it will strengthen the patrolling unit, and as I told you, the equipment have been chosen after interaction with the Forest Department, so these are exactly what they would need.
This vehicle, which is fully equipped, which can support the transport of 4 or 5 people with all their sleeping gear, their medicines, their food and other tools, I think it will be very useful.
It's fitting that the forests of Kipling's Jungle Book are the first to get the rapid response unit, and we hope this vehicle and the team goes a long way in protecting the Sher Khans found here, the 90-odd tigers found in this reserve. In the Kanha Tiger Reserve, this is Gargi Rawat for NDTV.
The tigers of Pench Reserve in Madhya Pradesh will be better protected as the Forest Department now has a rapid response unit.
Time's finally come, Anish, for you to hand over the keys of this brilliant rapid response unit.
Alok ji, it's all yours and all the best to you. And your staff.
Thank you.
You've been the person who's put together this equipment. Tell me, what's it all about?
The rapid response units have been put in place after discussions with many people from the wildlife fraternity. There are helmets that will protect them from charging animals. It also has rucksacks which are going to be which will house equipment that will allow the department, at least 6 people, to live inside the forest for 4 or 5 days.
As a park manager, we are very excited today. Now we have this rapid response unit, and it will going to help us a lot. We did not have such type of a rapid response unit, or here many villages are just on the periphery of this tiger reserve.
With camera person Shiv Shambhu Bhagat at the Pench Tiger Reserve, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV. This majestic sight in front of you is what we are trying to protect. The NDTV SL Save the Tiger campaign will provide forest guards with rapid response units to deal with emergency situations. The 625 square kilometer Tadoba Andhari Tiger Reserve. Home to nearly 60 tigers, it now has the modern equipment which is critical for the forest guards who man the Tiger Reserve.
This is the key of one and this is for the other. All the best to you and your team.
Thank you very much. The entire operation may go haywire in the field, and that is a great thing which has been thought about by the WCT, that each and every item required to operationalize this program in the field has been meticulously planned.
नीचे साहब ये बताइए कि आप लोग जब पेट्रोलिंग पे जाते हैं किस तरीके का प्रॉब्लम्स आता है?
पहले क्या हमारे पास में यूनिट नहीं था, यानी हम लोग इधर उधर से जमा और बाद में चले जाओ, यानी ऐसे 3-4 घंटे चले जाते थे और बाद में लोगों को उधर माप बहुत बढ़ता था, क्यों नहीं पकड़े, क्यों नहीं आए। इसकी वजह से अभी आ गए, हमारे पास पूरा सामान आ गया, यानी क्विकली एक्शन कर सकते हैं हम लोग।
With the arrival of the rapid response unit, his reaction time to a problem will be vastly reduced, thus helping him address a man-animal conflict in a much more efficient manner. With camera person Shiv Shambhu Bhagat at the Tadoba Andhari Tiger Reserve, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.
Rajasthan's Forest Minister inspecting the Rapid Response Unit for Sariska, ground zero of India's tiger crisis. All tigers here were poached 6 years ago. But given the Rapid Response Kit from the ASL NDTV campaign to save tigers, forest authorities believe protecting Sariska's big cats will now be far less difficult.
Many of them have not even seen stuff like this, what you've given to them. It's very thoughtful of WCT and NDTV to have started a campaign to save the tiger and to help the people who are involved with protecting and saving the tigers.
After Sariska lost its big cats, 5 tigers were relocated here from Ranthambore, and forest guards faced with the crucial task of saving the big cats are thrilled with the Rapid Response Kit.
जो जंगल में नाइट गश्त भी करते हैं, उस वक्त में मान लो टाइगर आ जाए या कोई शिकारी आ जाता है, तो उस वक्त में हम काफ़ी हेल्प करेंगे ये सब सामान।
जंगल के राजा को बचाने में फ़ायदा इस तरह से है कि जैसे गांव में कई बार वाइल्ड लाइफ चली जाती है, तो हम इस साधन के साथ में जाकर के उसको ट्रंकुलाइज करके वापस अब जंगल में मूवमेंट दे सकते हैं उसको।
With over 2,000 villages inside and 2 state highways slicing through, Sariska is perhaps India's most porous tiger park, and the Rapid Response Kit is needed here more than anywhere else. Rapid Response Kits aim to help forest staff tackle emergency situations like man-animal conflicts and poaching threats more effectively, and hopefully the kit given here will help make the big cats in Sariska a whole lot safer. In Sariska, Rajan Mahan for NDTV.